welcome my first guest, Cheryl Hodgkin. Hi, Cheryl.
Nice to
How are
see
you?
I'm good.
Nice to see you. So now today, what for dinner? What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Yes.
We're going to do a New Orleans style
Okay.
cream-based wild mushroom angel hair pasta dish.
Interesting.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how we start it?
Okay, we're going to start it with cutting up some pancetta.
Pancetta. Is
Yes.
that an Italian
It's
sausage or something?
It's a cured pork, and
Okay.
it's just a different form of bacon.
All right.
It's tastier than bacon.
So you cut it like a little cubes.
Just into cubes.
Okay.
That's right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to render the fat. We're going to warm them up in our pan, and that'll start the flavor base for the pasta dish. We're going to do this actually all pretty warm, pretty hot. All right.
Pancetta. So you make sure all the fat, the oil coming out?
That's right.
Are you going to drain or you use it?
No, we're not draining it. You'll see there isn't a whole lot of fat that's rendered.
Okay.
It's more to just give a flavor base, and then these will be crispy in your dish.
Okay. So you don't add a little bit of oil? No.
No
You
oil.
just use natural fat.
Just
to
natural
cook.
fat, and that's going to be the base for us to cook.
Okay.
But now we're going to get the mushrooms ready, and we
Okay.
will use a touch of oil when we do that. These are mini portobellos.
Okay.
Mini bellas, they call them. These are just white button mushrooms.
button? Okay.
And then I also have the oyster mushrooms, and I'm just going to get those ready. And actually, you can use chanterelles, you can use whatever you can find, and the dish gets more interesting with more mushrooms.
Okay.
So what I
Cajun
did
spice?
first is I used the oil, and this is the only oil we're going
Just
to use.
olive oil, right?
Olive oil,
Okay.
and you'll see the mushrooms are still quite dry, and we're going to cook them that way. This oil is just a touch to get the spice attached to the mushrooms.
Okay.
And the spice I used was a Cajun spice. We're going to put
Okay.
the mushrooms in.
So take your time slowly to cook it, right?
That's right. Yes, yes. So they've taken on the flavor of the pancetta, and we're ready to add the rest of the ingredients.
Sure.
So let's start with just.
So that probably need at least 5 minutes,
Yes.
right? Cook it down.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll add some green onions.
Green onions.
These are shallots. These are the ones I told you taste so good with the shiitake mushrooms.
How many you cut it?
I
Like
cut
a
up
medium
four.
size? 4. Okay.
4 medium size.
And
And then minced garlic.
okay. Minced garlic. Lots of garlic.
Lots of garlic.
I
I try
love
to have
garlic.
a ratio of 2 times as many shallots as garlic. I find it's a ratio that works well.
Okay.
So we're going to let this cook a little bit till
Okay.
it's translucent. Yeah, this is a fresh pasta, and it cooks faster than the packaged pasta. I like it. It's fresh. It's
Okay.
It's nice. We'll just
So
add
boil
it
the water
there.
first.
Yes.
And just
Yes.
put it
Perfect.
on and loosen a little bit.
That's right. As soon as it
Two,
comes
three.
to a boil, we
what?
won't need to keep it in much longer than that.
Okay.
And I'm just moving this around so that all the shallots can have their time on the bottom of the pan to cook through.
Beautiful.
Smell the garlic. Put these, it's a 35% whipping
Okay.
cream in there, a little decadent, but what we're going to do now is just heat it through and let
Okay.
it thicken a little bit.
Would I drain it?
Yes,
Can I
please.
drain?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that'd be great.
So I'm
Thank you.
going to drain it.
This is coming along really nice.
Yeah. Let's add a noodle.
I remember. Well, we
Everybody's-
had extra people stop by that we weren't
Yeah,
planning on, but
it's
they're always
great.
welcomed. They're always
Yeah.
welcomed.
Okay, now noodles.
So I can start to turn this down a little.
Sure.
And we're just gonna actually
You want to use this
whip through
one?
that.
Maybe easy.
Yeah, that would be easier. Thank you.
The temperature still keep high or low?
I've just lowered it a little.
Lower a little bit. Yeah, let it cook.
Because actually everything is cooked now. It's just a matter of integrating it.
You're ready.
Yeah. So these asparagus, I am just going to add a little bit of olive oil to cook them. They cook really
Just
fast.
simple, right? So you don't add a little bit of salt, pepper, or
No salt and
later?
pepper.
No,
That's in my
because-
Cajun spice that I use. And then I'm going to dot it with some more Cajun spice on top. This is much better than boiling and losing all the flavor and vitamins.
I think we have
And
a
it's
lot
still
of
crisp.
time.
These won't take very much time.
No,
I
very
picked the
quick.
thin ones on purpose. They're the tastier ones and they're more tender. And then they cook faster too. So let's get this
So
plated.
now it's a plated? Okay.
Yes.
You want to do it together? Or
Let's do
you
it together. If you can help me with the asparagus
I
too.
got to find another tongue here.
There we
Let's
are.
go.
Maybe we'll lay it down
That's so
the
nice.
center.
Sure. So like it smells so good.
Oh, it does smell good, doesn't it?
Okay. Now we're going to plate. So keep the noodle first, right?
That's right.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
So go this way or go center?
Up. I
Go
thought
up.
up the center would be nice. at some
Beautiful.
point.
Look at the mushrooms.
Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they? It's a heavy pan. It's a nice pan.
So some Parmesan cheese,
A little bit Cajun spice.
Cajun spice. So I'm going to put some here. Does that looks good? Oh, fill it up.
There we go. Looks beautiful.
You like it?
I
so
love
what
it.
else do we have to put it on?
I'm just going to put a little bit of parsley for color.
Parsley for color. Yeah.
Lots of salt and pepper. The
For
asparagus, just a touch.
asparagus. Yeah. Little bit of pepper.
Sorry, one more, the balsamic vinegar on the asparagus. Just a few drops.
Beautiful.
Really brings the color and the taste out.
Beautiful. Look at this dish.
Is it good?
I cannot talk. Excellent. That's so good. I cannot find more words to say thank you for today.
Thank you so much for having
And
me.
you share your dish, you share your thoughts, your soul, your passion. I really appreciate.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for
for coming.
having me. Yeah.